Did you know that enslaved people literally fought their way to freedom during the Civil War? 200,000 black men served in the Union Army and Navy as United States colored troops. That's 10% of all Northern forces. Many escaped plantations in the dead of night just to join the fight, but they faced terrible treatment. They got paid less than white soldiers. They received broken guns and torn uniforms, and commanders sent them into the most dangerous battles first. At Fort Wagner, black troops charged straight into Confederate cannons. Hundreds died, but they proved they would fight and die for freedom. The worst part? When Confederate soldiers captured black troops, they didn't treat them as prisoners of war. They executed them instead. But here's what changed everything. After the war, these brave soldiers had the strongest argument for citizenship. How could America deny voting rights to men who bled and died for the country? Their sacrifice didn't just help win the Civil War. It opened the door to citizenship and voting rights during Reconstruction.